Hello, thanks for joining me. Today's video shows a 2-for-1 silhouette card. It's a non-traditional silhouette because it happens to be in color. And I'll show you how to do that coming up next on Catherine Paper Art. I'm going to be making a silhouette inlay card, and I've inked up a panel with some distress ink. I've used cracked pistachio, lucky clover, and peacock feathers, and they were all extraordinarily juicy. I had to ink it up a couple times. The first two panels were so oversaturated that they looked terrible. Even this one is very saturated because the pads are so juicy. I mean, I've never had pads like that. Anyway, so I'm going to use this dye. I bought this from some seller on AliExpress. I thought it was a cute dye. Anyway, so for a silhouette dye, you don't always have to use just black and white or blue and white or blue and cream. You can use colors. So I'll go ahead and run this through the die cutting machine and I'll be right back. Okay, so what I did was I ran a die in black because you get 2-for-1 out of these cards. So and I did one previously to show you what I mean. So I originally did the die in blue, and what I did was I recessed it. So if you look closely, well, you won't be able to see in the video, but the die cut is recessed under the white, and the negative of that is on a white panel. So you get 2 cards out of 1, and that's what I'm going to do here. So I'll take the positive and negative pieces and switch them around, and I'll glue them in place, and I'll do that off camera to save you the time of watching that, and be right back. What I've done is I've laid out the little pieces. I had to fit the pieces in before gluing them because some of them are so similar in shape and size that it was too easy to put the wrong piece in the wrong place. So these aren't all glued down yet, but you can see anyway how it looks, or how it's supposed to look. And I did trim them down before popping them into place. So I'll go ahead and finish gluing these, and then I'll put them on a card base. Now, one thing I kind of regret was just using a solid black, because it's just so finite, I guess is the word I'm looking for. I could have just used something a little more, I don't know. Anyway, I'll go ahead and finish gluing these in and off camera, and be right back. These are the finished cards. I've embellished them and added sentiments to both of them. And I mounted them, instead of using the foam tape, which I normally do use, I added 2 pieces behind the card panel. I added 2 pieces of scrap cardstock on both of them to give it just a little bit of loft. I don't know if you can see that. And the embellishments, I didn't have any silver dots that were glitter. I have gold glitter dots, so I just made my own from glitter paper. Same with the little glitter bling. And I just used some sentiments that I have die cut. And the stamped sentiment is from the Happy Hello Floral from the August Spellbinders stamp of the month. Whenever I get stamps that have sentiments that I really like, I stamp out and die cut many of them so I can use them for future cards. But anyway, so these are the silhouette cards, and I think they came out very pretty. And I hope you like them. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do. And if you did like the video, please give us a thumbs up. Thank you for watching.